finding inverse of a matrix is very lengthy. Therefore, today I am going to explain some tricks. For 2 by 2 matrix, it's very easy. You know, for example, 2 by 2 matrices we have, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. For 2 by 2 matrix, normally what is A inverse? A inverse is what? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now this is 4. Now for what? For this 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. Now adjoint of A is given by change these diagonal elements 1, 4. We change the location. Here I have 4, 1, and then non-diagonal elements you give minus. Okay. We have minus 3, minus 2. Don't change the values but give minus. Okay. This is my adjoint. Okay. Now adjoint, this is adjoint of this 2 by 2 matrix. But determinant of A you can find very easily. This into this minus this into this. This is A inverse for 2 by 2. Okay. What about 3 by 3? For 3 by 3 matrix, let's say if let's take A equals to any determinant equals to 1, 0, 2, minus 1, 3, 1. I'm choosing the number which we can solve very easily. And then here 3, minus 2, 0. Okay. Now let's find this 3 by 3 matrix or inverse. Okay. Here this is what 3 by 3. Okay. The best way is what? This is diagonal matrix. Okay. For diagonal matrix, choose the term of middle term. Okay. From middle term you go right here. Okay. You go down and then come back over here so that you can make for matrix. And then similarly from 3, after completing 3 you go to this one and then come back to this one. Let's go by example. Okay. Now from row to column I'm writing over here 3 going down, minus 2, and then here 0, and then 3. Similarly 1 goes down, 1 goes down 0, and then come back to 2, again down here 1. This over. Now minus 1 goes to minus 1 goes to what? 3, and then come back to 1, come back to minus 1. Repeat this once again. This minus 2, 0, 3. Okay, and this will be adjoint. This is what 4 by 4. Okay. Now let's solve this. Okay. Here 3 into 0 is what? 0, minus minus plus. Okay. Here we'll get 2. Okay, and then let's come back over here. This into this is 3. Okay, 3 into minus this 0. Again solve this. Here we have minus plus 2. Okay, 2 minus 9. Okay, we have 2 minus 9 for this. 3 is 9. Okay, and 2 minus 9 is minus 7. Okay, we can write minus 7 over here. Similarly solve this. Here minus 2 minus 4. Okay, here I'll get minus 4. Here 0, 3 is 6, minus 6. Again here 0, my 2. Okay, minus 1 plus 2. Similarly here this is 0, 3 to the 6, minus 6 will come. And over here this will be minus 2, minus 1. Okay. Here minus 2, minus 1 is minus 3. And here is minus 3 as only 3. Okay, 0. And now this is adjoint for this. This is very shortcut. Within this you can get this adjoint. And how to find? We know that A inverse is what? A inverse equals to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A we have. Okay, how to find determinant of A is what? Is given by this into this. Okay, means determinant A is given by 1 into 2 is 2 plus 0 into 3 is 0 plus 2 into minus 7 is minus 14 is what? Minus 12, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse equals to 1 upon minus 12 into this matrix. Okay, this is the A inverse for this determinant. Okay.